Chinese tourist, okay? It's a Chinese tourist. Now, learn to use this word outrage. 呢個就要學啊。Outrage is a very strong feeling. Strong anger 係強烈嘅憤怒，即係你見到一啲咧，你係好不恥嘅行為。Sissy 咁勤力，係嘛？用心讀書，得閒又去做義工，幫阿鄧樂謙呢啲腦殘嘅小朋友。喂，但係點解佢咁命苦住劏房咧？冇得去日本旅行，佢嘅 birthday party 都係喺麥當勞嗰度慶祝嘅啫。And then on the other side， 點解阿 Joshua 又懶又唔讀書？點解咁死好命係嘛？住呢個半山，跟住阿爸咧就每年就帶佢去日本旅行3、4次，即係好離譜啊！呢個世界即係咁不公平 ，This is outrageous。實用啦嘛，講啊，指住佢講 ，This is outrageous。講，喂，你要係咁樣，你至 get 到啲英文嘅 Aiden， 唔好怕醜，快啲指住佢，你個頭，你高過佢，佢唔會打你噶，快啲啊！佢唔夠你砌噶，死嘢，指住佢講啦。This is outrageous。係啦，點解個貧苦學生阿 Sissy 冇得去日本旅行？點解你有得去咧？係嘛？咁啊，指住佢講。This is outrageous， 講啦。This is outrageous。你太斯文啦 ，Mark 指住佢講鬧。This is outrageous 係啦，即係人神共憤啊！因為世界冇公義啦，係咪啊 ？How come such a good girl she doesn't get to go to Japan？ 好啦，所以佢就要識啊。This is 嗱，加埋個 public 咧，即係市民都好嗰日叫義憤啊，知唔知啊？義憤填胸，義憤係啦。即係嬲得好緊要嚇，就為咗啲正義嘅事係嘛，又咁離譜嚇 ，outrage 係個名詞，咁個形容詞咧就頭先我講嘅 ，this is outrageous 就指一啲行為好離譜，就好少攞嚟指個人嘅，唔會話 he is 你可以話 he is outrageous， 其實你係指佢啲行為啊，我哋就唔會話 an outrageous man 嘅 ，outrageous 係 refer to behaviour。係指行為啊！大家要識呢個字，好唔好？今日一定要掌握呢個字啊！好嚟真係離鬼譜啊！點解廁紙都冇啊？俾張 tissue 我都好啊！啊？就喺隔離我自己有 tissue 都要補習名師自備嘅真係。